In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Klaviyo in Shopify. We'll walk through the process from inside your Shopify admin, get Klaviyo installed from the App Store, and then talk about what Klaviyo starts syncing once it's connected to your store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get everything set up so you can start using Klaviyo for your email and SMS marketing. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and log in. Once you're on the main admin page, look towards the top for the search bar. This search bar is really handy because it lets you quickly find settings, products, customers, and also apps. Click inside the search bar, and from the drop-down that appears, select apps. This tells Shopify that you're looking for an app rather than something inside your store. Now, type Klaviyo into the search field and press enter on your keyboard. Shopify will automatically open the Shopify App Store in a new view, filtered by your search term. Give it a second to load, and then you'll see a list of apps related to Klaviyo. From the search results, look for the official app called Klaviyo, Email Marketing and SMS. Make sure you choose this one, as it's the main app that integrates directly with Shopify. Click on it to open the apps page, then click the button to install the app. Shopify will ask you to approve some permissions so Klaviyo can access the data it needs, like your customers and orders. Review the permissions, then confirm and continue. During installation, you'll either log into an existing Klaviyo account or create a new one. If you're creating a new account, follow the prompts to enter your details. Klaviyo may send a confirmation email to the address you used to sign up. Go to your inbox, open the message from Klaviyo, and click the confirm button or confirmation link. This will verify your account and usually bring you right back into Klaviyo, already connected to your Shopify store. Once installation is complete, Klaviyo begins syncing data from Shopify. It will pull in your customers, email subscribers, and order history, so you can segment and target your audience. It also syncs your products and collections, which lets you insert product recommendations and build campaigns based on what you sell. On top of that, Klaviyo tracks checkout activity and website behavior, such as when someone views a product or adds something to their cart. This is what powers abandoned cart flows and browse abandonment emails. Keep in mind, the initial sync can take a few minutes, especially if you have a larger store. Just let it run in the background, and once it's finished, you're ready to start building your first Klaviyo campaigns and automations.